10, 9, 8,
Hey, Clarence, can you move, sweetie? I'm backing out.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, blast off! Okay, I'm moving.
Now, can you be a good boy and close the garage door when you're done? I won't be getting back till late, and I don't want to see any possums making a mess in there.
Uh-huh.
Really?
Yep.
Clarence, are you listening to me? Clarence, look at me. Hey, Clarence, look at me. Look at Mama.
Okay, Mom, I won't. I'll close the door. Don't worry, I won't disappoint you.
That's my boy. All right, have fun with Chad tonight. Hey, and don't stay up too late.